I'm back with another video. 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 Hey, hey. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Nique Squad family. Come on, you know you want to. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a haul. And I know that it's really uncommon here on YouTube to see a haul from Rite Aid, but girl, let me fill you in on all the tea because you've been missing out, okay? So my sister-in-law told me that Rite Aid was having this sale on diapers, right? So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna check it out because I have some coupons. So I go in and there's like sale signs everywhere. 50% off makeup, skincare, nail care, household items, like everything. The majority of the store was basically on sale, y'all. So I'm like, is Rite Aid going out of business? I don't know. So I asked one of the folks that worked there and he was like, yeah, there's a bunch of locations that are closing down. So I think Walgreens maybe bought them out. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But anywho, it was a huge sale going on, and I think it's still going on right now up until May 1st, I believe. So girl, you might want to head over to your local Rite Aid and check them out and get you some stuff for the low. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop right into the haul, and I didn't get that much stuff, or at least I don't think I did. I have makeup, skincare, hair stuff, and feminine stuff, and then I'm just going to start in no particular order. So okay, so the first few items I'm going to share with you are from Garnier, and this is the Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner, and this is the Honey Treasures line. I also got their hair mask. So I've been seeing this a lot here on YouTube and on social media, so I've been kind of curious about this trio for a while now, but never tried it out. So I'm pretty sure there's a hype behind it for a reason, so I figured I'd just give it a shot. Now these items were not 50% off, but it was still a good deal. They rang up for $5.99, but regular price they were $7.49, and that's a pretty good deal because look at the size of these bottles. It's huge. It's 22 fluid ounces in here. And then the hair mask jar, I mean, this is a pretty nice size jar, and it just says that it's supposed to strengthen hair and help prevent split ends and breakage. So I'm excited to try these out. Now I read the ingredients on the back of this shampoo, and it does contain sulfates, which is okay because I don't use sulfate shampoos all the time. I kind of use it sparingly just to get rid of product buildup and everything. So I won't be using the shampoo like consistently like that, only when I need it to get my hair squeaky clean, you know, extra clean. So it's still gonna be okay because I do have you know, my co-washes and sulfate free shampoos that I use in between that time. Okay, so the next few items are makeup items, and the first thing is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black, and this was 50% off. So this was originally $10.49 or something like that. So it was 50% off, and it was a really good deal. Plus I needed to restock on this anyway because I really do love this mascara, especially for my non-existent bottom lashes. They really help out a lot with this mascara because the wand is so tiny and thin, so they really get into the nooks and cranny of, you know, the corner of my eye socket here, and they really pull it out like it's magic. It's magic in the tube. Like, they give me bottom lashes. I love this. Okay, so the next makeup item is also from L'Oreal, and this is their Infallible liquid eyeliner in black, of course, and this was also 50% off. In fact, all L'Oreal makeup was 50% off, so you can't beat that. So yeah, I've never used this particular eyeliner before, and I like to try out different eyeliners. I don't really have like a staple eyeliner that I use or purchase every time. I just like to try out different ones to see if I like it or not. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out, and this one has a precise felt tip, so this should be pretty easy even though it's kind of long, but we'll see how this works. Okay, so the next few items are from Kiss, and they are lashes. This is my first time purchasing lashes from Kiss. I normally buy mine from Ardell, but I mean, these were 50% off, so I figured why not. These were only $2 and some change, y'all. Super cheap, and then this one was like $3.50, I believe. So really good deal. These first two are the Blowout lashes, and this one is in the style Pixie, and then this one is in the style Beehive, and then this one is the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in the style Brassiere. Y'all, I don't know how to pronounce this. I know I'm country. Brassiere. I'm just gonna put the words on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm honestly intimidated to try these out. Like, I usually play it safe when it comes to false lashes. Like, I usually get the more natural looking ones, like the Ardell Wispies or something like that. But I wanted to step out of my comfort zone, so I'm going to be trying these out, and hopefully I like them. Okay, so switching over to skincare now. The first item is from Garnier, and it's the SkinActive Micellar Cleansing Water. This item was not on sale, but I wanted to purchase it anyway just because I've heard a lot of good things about this all over the internet. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen this all on YouTube, all on social media, practically everywhere, and I'm probably the last one on earth to pick this up. Plus, I was already running out of my current micellar water from Aveeno. Is it from Aveeno? No. Simple. I have Simple micellar water right now, and I'm about to run out of that, so I needed to pick up some new micellar water, so I figured I would give this one a try. So can't wait to try this out and see how it works on my skin. These were also not on sale, but these are just some cotton rounds, some cleansing pads, so I needed to restock on this. Okay, so next up we have some sheet masks, and you would think that this video would be sponsored by Garnier because of the amount of stuff I have from them. Like, I've shown you the hair stuff from them, I've shown you the micellar cleansing water, and now I'm about to show you these sheet masks. Now, these were not on sale, but they were only $2.99 each in the store, and I usually get mine from Ulta, and I think it's about like $5 or $6 there. And the one that I tried from Ulta was the pomegranate one, and this is the hydrating one. Yeah, super hydrating mask. Well, they all say that, right? So yeah, these are the Garnier SkinActive Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. Now, the one that I already tried before is the pomegranate one, but I purchased it again because I really enjoyed using it. Like, it left my skin feeling so soft, so hydrated, so luxurious. I was just blown away, really. This was a really good sheet mask, and I'm really surprised that Rite Aid has it for $2.99. Like, that's kind of cheap. So, I mean, if you have a Rite Aid near you, you might want to go pick this up and try it. Especially if you never tried a sheet mask before and you're interested in trying them, go pick these up. And they're called Moisture Bomb for a reason. I picked up the pomegranate one. I have one with Sakura extract. I hope I'm saying that right. Then I have one with chamomile, one with green tea, and then one with lavender. And this is supposed to be like the anti-fatigue one. So this will come in handy, especially me being a mom and me losing sleep. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. Alrighty, so I also picked up some Pantyliners from the Always Radiant line. I'm always needing these, of course. And they were buy one, get one 50% off, so I got two. Alright, and the last item that I picked up was this planner, and yes, I'm a little late. I know it's April, but I mean, better late than never. Plus, I didn't have a planner, but this was 50% off. In fact, all of their office items were half off of everything. So this was originally $14.99, so I paid $7.49 for this. So really good deal. But yeah, I wanted to get this because I need to, you know, manage my time more wisely, I guess, and put myself on a schedule, especially for, like, you know, all of the content that I want to produce. And I've already started using this planner for like my content and stuff, like creating content and trying to schedule stuff for my YouTube channel and social media posts, stuff like that. So this has come in handy already, so I'm trying to test myself and see if I can put myself on a little schedule so I can be more consistent, y'all. I'm trying. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that I got from Rite Aid, and I also did pick up some baby wipes and some diapers, which the diapers were half off. So I grabbed the biggest box. And I also picked up some household items like dishwashing detergent, clothes detergent, stuff like that really would be boring to put in this haul. The only thing, I wish I could have found my foundation shade in Maybelline and L'Oreal's foundations, but they didn't have my shade, so yeah. That was really depressing. Anyways, let me know in the comments if you plan on going to Rite Aid to take advantage of this sale. And again, I think the sale is going on now through May 1st, I believe. But again, don't quote me on that. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe if you're new, guys. Hit that subscribe button on your way out before you leave. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button before you leave. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!